Hi Stampers! Today I found this stamp set called The Best Catch. It's a cling stamp set out of the Occasions catalog. It's here on page 44. And it had some really cute ideas. And I love this phrase, "You're the best catch ever." And my significant other is quite the fisherman, so I thought this would make a great Valentine's Day card. Masculine, I'm not going to use any reds, but I thought I'd try this out. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to stamp the fisherman. I've got my cling already on there. I'm going to stamp it in black, basic black. And I think I want to put him right about in the middle. And then I'm going to, this set comes with dies, with Thinlit dies. And so this big fish, this guy here, I'm going to do him an old olive and cut him out with the die. And set him, I don't know where up here, so somewhere over here. And then I'll use this, "You're the best catch ever," probably under here. And this die comes with something that the stamp set doesn't, and that's these. So I'm going to put those in. I decided to go with a crumb cake. We'll see how that looks. And I grabbed a old olive sponge that I'll use to stamp some old olive ink with if these cattails don't look quite like I want them to. So let's play a little bit and see what happens. Yeah, I do like these because I can see exactly where I'm stamping. I'm kind of old school and I love the wooden blocks, but I'll tell you what, these are super nice. These die sets are really nice. They're nice and thin. When you do this, be sure that the razor edge goes on the paper side. Really good there. And this one, there is not a stamped image, so all I have to do is fit that on the paper. It's kind of nice that I can put these together more than one image at a time. And I'm going to sandwich them between my glass. I have a standard block and then the thin die adapter. I'm going to feed this through and we'll see how they come out. See how my big bass came here. Oh, look at his fin is even cut a little bit. That's kind of cool. Let's see what I think of this. I love cattails. It's always fun to ride the boat through the cattails, or near the cattails, and hear the red-winged blackbirds sing. So now that I have my pieces cut out, I've kind of decided that I don't like the way that they look together. So I'm gonna start do a different pattern. I think I want this guy to go on the right. I want this guy on the left, and I don't know where I'll put the words yet. And I also don't like what happened here. I smeared that a little because I didn't stamp it real neatly. So I'm going to do my favorite multi-use paper trick and simply start over on the back side. And pull straight up. Yeah, it's still a little fuzzy, but that'll do. And for my cattails, I think I want a little bit of some moss, grassy look. So I'm gonna sponge a little bit of old olive. I need a watercolor, so I think I'm gonna go with this Bermuda Bay. It looks a little bit dark and unpond-like, but I think when I sponge it on, it's gonna have a nice color. So let's try this. Okay, now to attach the cattails, I'm going to use this Tombow Mono Liquid Gel. It's great for getting the little pieces together. This little guy here, I think I'm just going to make him nice and big right there. I'm using Dimensionals. You can never go wrong or use too many Dimensionals. They also make itty bitty little ones, which I like a lot. I wonder if that would look good in that Bermuda Bay. Let's try it. What do you think? Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you think. Leave me a comment below.